Can a multivitamin replace fruits and vegetables? Everyone knows that they should be eating more fruits and vegetables, and everyone knows the reason, in order to get more vitamins and minerals. But seeing as this is the main objective, you might be wondering if there isn't an easier way. What if, instead of eating more fruits and vegetables, you instead got the very same nutrients from a supplement? What if you just took a multivitamin or multimineral? Is that just as good for you? In this presentation, we're going to find out. The good. On the one hand, a multivitamin tablet, which I'll use to refer to both multivitamin and multimineral from now on, can help to offer a very convenient way to get more nutrients in your diet. You might have heard some people say that you don't absorb the nutrients from supplements. This is in fact untrue. And if you need evidence, consider the cases of people who live off products that are designed to contain an entire balanced diet in a single supplement. Yes, these are real. While that's definitely not a good idea, it's also true that these people are fine. They didn't die because their body could absorb and use those nutrients. And the same goes for a multivitamin. So if you're struggling to get enough of something in particular in your diet, getting it from a supplement can be a great way to solve that problem. And this is particularly useful if what you need to get more of is something super rare and unusual. The bad. That said, it is also true that you won't absorb nutrients from a supplement as well as you would do from an actual piece of fruit or vegetable. There are many reasons for this. One is that it is actually partly the combination of nutrients that helps the body to absorb. For example, fat-soluble vitamins require a fat source to be absorbed, something not normally present in supplements. Likewise, many vitamins actually work best when consumed at the same time. That's before you consider the different pharmacokinetics that influence the amount of time it takes for vitamins and minerals to travel through the body, which means you ideally wouldn't take them at the same time. Plus, actual fruits and vegetables have many other benefits, such as being a rich source of fiber and of healthy carbs. In short, the real deal is always best.